munchies, welcome to the channel if you're new, or if you're not, I'm Alyssia and I am stoked you're here either way. Today we're making smoothies, and I have specifically designed these with my favorite season in mind, which literally just officially began. It's fall. First up, my pumpkin chai smoothie.
Pumpkin chai smoothie.
This one is fun because I use brewed chai as the liquid. So I add my cooled tea to a blender along with frozen banana slices, pumpkin puree, honey, or you could use maple syrup if preferred, cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, and a pinch of salt. Blend it on up. I love that there is not much work to make in a smoothie, but you can still get something so delicious. The pumpkin with the cinnamon sort of automatically makes this festive for fall, but that chai really adds extra flair. It's like sippable pumpkin bread. It's cool and refreshing, which is perfect for these fall days in LA where it really still feels like summer. Next up, we are making my cinnamon, pear, and ginger smoothie.
Cinnamon and pear ginger. That's the kind of smoothie that I've been dreaming of.
In a blender, combine frozen pear, spinach for both color and nutrition, milk of choice, I went with almond, but you could use dairy or whatever you prefer, yogurt, almond butter or any nut butter you prefer, but almond is more neutral, honey, freshly grated ginger, cinnamon, and cardamom. Blend it up. Wow, pear and cinnamon combined are a fun flavor profile. Sweet, fruity, creamy, and satisfying without any banana at all, mind you, for those of you banana haters in smoothies. And a little bit of a kick from that fresh ginger too. I like to top it off with some extra fresh pears, some granola, and a dash of cinnamon. This one would honestly make a great smoothie bowl. If you're enjoying this video so far and want more delicious fall recipes coming up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Okay, my last smoothie of the day is probably my favorite.
Toasted oat and maple pecan smoothie. Oh yeah.
First, we're gonna toast up some oats and pecans. You can do this at the same time, so you just place the oats and pecans on a baking sheet and transfer to the oven. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove from the oven and allow to cool completely, and oh my gosh, it's gonna smell so good. Next, we can make our smoothie. In your blender, add your toasted oats and pecans and blend that first until finely ground, or pulse it up. Then we're gonna add your milk of choice, some yogurt, frozen banana slices, maple syrup, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Blend it on up. Wow, this is so delicious. It tastes hearty and substantial from the banana, oats, and pecans. It's thick and toasty and comforting for fall. It's almost like a nutty oatmeal pancake in smoothie form. It's nice and creamy from the yogurt, and it's not too sweet. It's just right for breakfast. All right, thank you all so much for being here. I hope you'll give these smoothies a try, and if you do, don't forget to tag me and let me know what you think. I'll be back soon with a new episode, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.